So recently I ran a poll and I've done a video about that poll. The response from the poll was amazing. 98% of you said that you wanted to see my most profitable, best flips that I've ever done. So I've already made one video on it. And if you missed that one, you want to go check that one out. But this one's part two. So as you know, sometimes when I'm out sourcing, I don't have any particular item in mind. Sometimes something will just catch my eye. Other times I'll see common things, and many times I'll just pass over those common items. But sometimes that's not such a good thing to do. You do need to check. So in this video, I'm going to show you two different items. One item, I didn't even know what the item was. Not familiar with it at all. And that one is this one up here. And then the other item is a common item. And I see them all the time, but I don't see value in them. But sometimes you need to check. And that's what I did with this particular one. So when I checked the sell through rate on both of these items, after I figured out what the first one was, I was shocked. I was absolutely amazed at the sell through rate, the STR that these two items had. So let's just jump right into it. So I'll go out and I'll be just cruising down the lines and in a thrift store, and I came across this item. Now, this item I was completely unfamiliar with. I had no idea what it was, but it looked substantial. I mean, it was heavy and it was aluminum. You can see there's a turn, a crank on the top of it, but many of you may know what it is, but I had no clue. I see all different kinds of things, but this is the first time I've seen anything like this. So I got it down and I just uncranked it, opened it up, and I found inside the item, once it expanded, the name Mallory. So I just went to eBay and I searched for Mallory in aluminum. And eBay knew what it was right away, of course. And it popped it up. And what this is, it's a Mallory boot, ankle and calf stretcher. So I guess they put these in boots, turn the crank, and it stretches out boots. I had no idea. They wanted $10 for it, which I kind of suspected was probably a decent price for what I was looking at. A real heavy duty, almost look commercial built item. Well, $10 is what I paid. I listed it because it had a really good sell through rate, and I sold it very quickly for $169, plus the tax and plus the shipping. So I didn't even know what the thing was until I checked. So that's a good lesson for you. When you see an item that you don't know what it is, check it, pull it up, open it up, look for any model numbers or any names or anything that you can find, because sometimes you're going to be surprised, as I was with this one. So that was a good flip, good solid flip, $10 and 169. Now, I'm going to share one with you here that it almost was embarrassing to me because it was such a common item. And I'm really glad that I checked. Again, now I'm out and I'm cruising these different aisles, looking for something. I'm not sure what it is that I'm looking for. And I came across a section that had little radios, and it had like the sleep machines that are common out there. And I find these all the time, these different type of weather radios, these NOAA weather radios. And I picked this weather radio up, and I've seen many of them, and they wanted $5 for it. Just by chance, flipped open my phone, Went to my eBay app and pulled up this item. Well, lo and behold, this item was not just a normal weather radio. It's a Uniden, and it's the WX100 Uniden Bearcat weather radio. Just a small plastic weather radio. But what I didn't realize is it's rare, very rare. And there are collectors out there. Trust me, guys, there's collectors for everything. And you just need to check, because you never know when you're going to stumble across a collector's item. And that's exactly what I did. I pulled up this Uniden Bearcat WX100, and I was shocked the sell-through rate on it. Now, the store wanted $5 for it, which is typical for these weather radios that you see laying around. But this one had a great sell-through rate on it. I listed it, and when you list something like that, let me explain something real quick. You will have low ballers. There's people that are going to assume that you don't know what you have. So if you list it to what they don't want to pay, I start getting lots of messages saying, "Oh, these are not worth that much." There's people out there that list them high, but they never sell them. Well, I listed mine and I sold it right away. Within a week, I sold this for $290. I paid $5 for it, turned it around, listed it a week later, sold $290. So I consider that a huge flip. In the reselling game, you're always looking to see what you can turn your money into. And as I've told you many times, my goal, I always try to get 10 times my money. And I do all the time. In fact, most of the time, I will pass on things if it's, 4 or 5 or even 6 times my money. In fact, today I was out and I actually passed on items that way because they didn't have a great sell-through rate. Now, if something has a great sell-through rate, there's 50 listed and 100 sold in the last 90 days, I will take 5 or 6 times my money. But this video and the last video and the one that's coming are all about what my biggest flips are. These are not common. These are not something that I do every day, but do understand I do this regularly. So I have other videos that are going to come up about boosting your retirement income and real numbers, real facts and figures that I'm sure will help you out. But there's 2 good flips, $10 into 169 on a Mallory boot and calf and ankle stretcher that I paid $10 into 169, and then the Uniden WX100 Bearcat weather radio that I paid $5 for and turned around, sold it for $290. Guys, these finds are out there. I hope that this kind of information encourages you, motivates you to get out there and look. Now, on my next video that's coming up, this video is going to be a massive jump. These ones are the exceptional flips that you will find. And you're going to be surprised. Actually, one of the flips I'm going to show you paid for my Florida vacation. Really. So that's coming up. You want to stay tuned and watch for that one. It'll be out fairly shortly. Guys, I hope this information helps you. Stay tuned for my next video.